How do I make money with cryptocurrency trading without being a professional trader? Less is more. Simplicity makes the biggest winners in investing. In fact, the best performing investing accounts are often the ones where the owner is dead. Not that you should be dead to perform in the market. Rather, these accounts are doing well because the owner is not actively trading. The research and the investments were made, and that is it. No further tampering is needed. As long as the larger trend is favorable, there is no need to sell. One successful strategy for investing is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short, meaning a certain amount is purchased through a long period of time. The purchases occur regardless of the asset's price and at regular intervals. The strategy lowers the volatility of your investment and also eliminates the emotions from the equation. So rather than buying all your Bitcoin at 69k because everyone is talking about it, you would just put in your 100 euros a month as usual, and when Bitcoin hit 17k, rather than panic sell because everyone is worried it will drop further, you would again calmly put in another 100 euros, and by doing that, your average buy-in price would drop. Learn and study some more and you can start to recognize cycles in crypto, or any market for that matter. Seeing and understanding the price cycles, you are able to DCA a little bit more aggressively during relative low prices and hold back or even sell some at relative highs. For Bitcoin, historically the best buying opportunity have been after about the 75 or 80% drop from the preceding all-time highs. We discussed the strategies further in our Intermediate Level Academy series. Keep learning, keep developing yourself as an investor, and success will come to you.